Introducing the 2026 Honda Mini 4x4 tractor, a compact powerhouse designed for homeowners, farmers, landscapers, and anyone who needs serious capability in a small, efficient machine. Honda has long been trusted for engineering excellence, and this newest mini tractor continues that legacy with advanced performance, intelligent technology, and rugged reliability built for real-world tasks. Today, we're taking a detailed look at every feature, function, and improvement so you know exactly what this machine offers and how it can transform your work on any terrain. The 2026 Honda Mini 4x4 tractor is powered by a next-generation fuel-efficient Honda engine that delivers strong torque at low RPMs, giving you the pulling power you need without wasting fuel. This updated powertrain is designed for heavy-duty use while keeping emissions low and maintenance simple. Whether you're hauling, tilling, mowing, or transporting material around your property, the engine provides smooth acceleration and consistent strength under load. Honda's engineering also ensures quiet operation, making long work sessions more comfortable. Its true four-wheel drive system is one of the biggest highlights. The Smart 4x4 traction management automatically adapts to muddy, uneven, and slippery conditions, allowing maximum grip with minimal wheel slip. This makes the tractor extremely stable on hills, dirt paths, and rough working environments. Combined with a compact wheelbase and lightweight construction, it allows the Mini 4x4 tractor to maneuver through tight barns, small gardens, and narrow pathways where larger tractors simply can't go. Honda has built the tractor around a reinforced steel chassis that improves durability without adding unnecessary bulk. Front and rear differential locks provide extra traction for demanding tasks, while upgraded suspension components absorb bumps and vibrations for a smoother ride. The ground clearance is optimized so you can work confidently around rocks, roots, and uneven surfaces, reducing the chance of underbody damage. The operator station has been redesigned for comfort and control. The ergonomic seat, adjustable steering wheel, and anti-slip floorboard let you work longer with less fatigue. Honda's intuitive control layout includes a digital display showing engine stats, fuel levels, maintenance alerts, and traction indicators. All levers and switches are positioned for quick reach and smooth operation, even with gloves on. Night work is also improved with bright LED front and rear lights that enhance visibility around your entire workspace. Another strong point of the 2026 Honda Mini 4x4 tractor is its versatility. The 3-point hitch system, rear PTO, and front accessory mount allow compatibility with a wide range of attachments. You can connect tillers, plows, seeders, sprayers, trailers, mowers, front blades, and loaders. This turns one compact machine into a multi-purpose tool for year-round use. Quick attach systems make swapping implements fast and frustration-free. Honda has also introduced several smart features for 2026. The tractor now includes an eco mode that optimizes engine performance for light tasks, extending fuel life. A maintenance reminder system keeps track of service intervals so your tractor stays in peak condition. Safety enhancements include rollover protection, automatic engine shutoff on steep angles, and a built-in stability monitor that alerts the operator to unsafe operating conditions. Efficiency, durability, maneuverability, and intelligent engineering come together in the 2026 Honda Mini 4x4 tractor. It's built for small farms, residential properties, landscaping businesses, and anyone needing a reliable compact tractor that handles demanding work without taking up too much space. With advanced traction, strong engine performance, user-friendly controls, and broad attachment support, it's designed to help you work smarter, faster, and with greater confidence. Whether you're managing your land, improving your garden, or operating a small farm, the 2026 Honda Mini 4x4 tractor delivers the strength and precision you need in a compact, dependable package that's ready for any challenge.